Welcome dear children. I Rinkle Bagadia, your computer subject teacher, come to teach you our computer subject. In last class, we have studied about grass effect, flower tool, fill tool and stamp tool of chapter 2 Tux Paint. Now today we are going to learn pattern brush shapes, lines tool, save a file and opening a file in Tux Paint. So open page number 1919 in your computer textbook. Let's start. Now children, today's our first topic is pattern brush shapes is not a new tool, but it is paint tool only. You can see the icon of paint tool on the screen also. Using paint tool, we can draw beautiful patterns on canvas. In the subtool box of paint tool, we find so many pattern shapes and we can select any of the pattern shapes and draw different beautiful patterns as per our imagination. When you select paint tool from the main toolbox, you will get so many different brush shapes in the subtool box of its paint tool. So let's draw a tree using paint tool and its different pattern brushes. Let's see practically how can we use pattern brush shapes of paint tool. Select paint tool. Now you will see the brushes subtool box on the right hand side. Select the filled circle shape and choose brown color from the palette. Draw the stem of a tree. You can see on the screen the drawing of stem of a tree. You just move the mouse as per the stem shape. Scroll down to select the vine shape. Vine shape as a leaf. Select green color from the colors palette. Move the pointer to the drawing area and draw the leaves by clicking on the stem. You will see a beautiful tree as shown in the figure. Our next tool is lines tool. You can see the icon of lines tool on the screen. It is found in the toolbox of Tux Paint. We can draw perfectly straight lines with the help of lines tool. Using lines tool, we can select any brush shape from its subtools and draw the shape in straight line like a photo frame. Paint tool and lines tools work is quite similar to each other. Both because lines tool has the same brush shapes in the subtool box as in the paint tool. It means lines tools and paint tools subtool box is same. The only difference between the paint tool and lines tool is the order in which the drawing is displayed. While using the paint tool, you can see the image that you are drawing at that moment. On the other hand, while using the lines tool, you will see only a straight line from the starting point to the ending point. In short, we can say that while we using paint tool, the shapes are we can say it freehand drawing. But while we are using lines tool, the shapes are drawn in straight line only. We can see pattern only after completing the line and release the left mouse button. Let's see practically how can we draw patterns using lines tool. Children, now let us draw a pattern using the lines tool. Select the lines tool and choose any pattern from the subtool box. Draw a straight line as shown in the figure. Where you release the left mouse button, you will get a straight pattern in place of that line. If you draw an inclined line, you will find an inclined line pattern. Children, our next topic is saving a file. If we want to store our drawn pictures permanently, we have to save our work before quit from the TuxPaint. To save our drawing, TuxPaint provides an easy method. For this, we can use its Save tool. This Save tool is available in Toolbox. There is no need to mention the file name while saving a drawing because TuxPaint saves your file as a thumbnail rather than giving it a file name. All pictures are stored as a picture gallery. So, we can open any drawing by just clicking on it. When we are saving our drawing, the penguin confirms that we have successfully saved our file. Now children, our next and last topic of this chapter is opening a file. When we want to open our saved drawing in TuxPaint, we can use Open tool from the toolbox. Yes, we can use Open tool. It is available in the main toolbox of TuxPaint. Open button displays the thumbnail of drawing which we saved earlier. From this, we can select any drawing and can open that picture. We just have to click on the Open button and it will display the all saved drawings in our TuxPaint thumbnails. Now, any picture we want to open, we have to just click on that picture, and after that we have to click on Open button given at the bottom of the screen. Let's see practically how can we open any file in TuxPaint. To open an already saved file, click on the Open tool. You will see all the images that have been saved in TuxPaint till date. Click on the image that you want to open and click on the Open button. Chapter 2 TuxPaint is over here. If you have a computer or a laptop at your home, please try these all tools of TuxPaint practically in your computer or laptop that we learned today. And if you don't have computer or laptop, don't worry. When school will open, we will practice all the practical work in our computer lab. So, till then, learn well, stay safe, goodbye. Thank you.